The kings of European football will be crowned this weekend, but already we have a winner for the continent's most valuable football club of the year. And no, Champions League finalists Liverpool and Tottenham are not the winner. Instead, the honour goes to Spanish giants Real Madrid, who are valued at a cool 3.22 billion euros. For the first time ever, Los Blancos have knocked Manchester United off their top spot. FYI, the English Premier League club was top for the last 3 years. And the report from auditing firm KPMG calculates enterprise value based on 2 consecutive seasons, starting 2016 and 17. That was when Real won their second and third successive Champions League trophies. The United could only manage second best with about 3.2 billion euros. Just a reminder, the Red Devils clinched the double in the 2016-17 season, the English League Cup and Europa League trophy. German giants Bayern Munich completed the podium with an enterprise value of about 2.7 billion euros. European success may have eluded Bayern, but they've won the Bundesliga 9 times on the trot since the 2012-2013 season. Here's a look then at the top 10 most valuable clubs in Europe. Catalan giants Barcelona have dropped to 4th spot despite continued domestic success in La Liga. But the English Premier League remains a dominant force with 6 clubs in the top 10. As mentioned, this report provides an indication of the enterprise value of the club as of January 1st this year. And it studies 5 factors: profitability, broadcasting rights, popularity, sporting potential and stadium value. And already, Juventus shares are not reacting well to this latest news, while the US-listed Manchester United stock closed in the red yesterday.